Understanding the phrase, color up. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, color up. Have you heard it before? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. The words, color, and up, have their own individual meanings. Color refers to the property possessed by an object of producing different sensations on the eye as a result of the way it reflects or emits light. Up, in many contexts, implies a direction or movement towards a higher position. But, as with many phrases in English, when you combine these words, they take on a unique meaning. In idiomatic English, color up can have a couple of interpretations. 1. To blush or become red in the face. This usually happens when someone is embarrassed, shy, or excited. For example, she colored up when she realized everyone was looking at her. 2. In gambling contexts, especially in casinos, color up refers to the act of exchanging smaller denomination chips for larger ones. This is often done when a player is leaving a table, and they have a lot of smaller chips they wish to consolidate into larger, more manageable amounts. For instance, before leaving the poker table, I asked the dealer to color up my chips. To get a better grasp, let's look at some example sentences. 1. Whenever he's complimented, he tends to color up instantly. 2. Can you color up these $5 chips for a $100 one? Remember, context is crucial. It's essential to be aware of the situation in which you're using the phrase to ensure your message is clear. There you have it. Now, you know the different meanings of the phrase, color up, and can confidently use it in various contexts. English is full of these fascinating idiomatic expressions. Keep exploring and expanding your language horizons. Hope this video has been enlightening. See you in the next one.